My name is Natalie Daise. I am an artist, a storyteller, and a creative catalyst. A creative catalyst is someone who not only is creative, but inspires creativity in others. To me, creativity is simply, how do you follow your curiosity? What questions do you ask? And what do you do to explore that curiosity? And creativity is a process, it's not a product. A lot of times people think you're creative if you make something. But the creativity isn't in the something. The creativity is in the becoming of the something. It's a way of expressing something that sometimes is beyond words, and that when we can tell the truth and we can tell our story, whether that's visually or orally, that's a healing act. The piece that will be at MUSC features some of the writers during the March on Washington. And if you look at that piece, you see them, they're linking arms. They're leaning against each other and they're singing. And I hear in my head, ain't gonna let nobody turn me around, which was one of the freedom songs, or we shall overcome. I just imagine it's one of those, and you see them leaning against each other, they're supporting each other, and behind them there's something that looks a little like an R or an orb, and it's actually the inside of the Capitol building's dome, if you look at it. I used cut paper, I used like graffiti images and cutout letters to say "We the People" from the Constitution. It's a multi-cultural group, but it's largely the youth who are making these sacrifices. And there's a quote by John Lewis around the edges that, we have to do this for ourselves. Keep saying wait. We've waited, and now we are coming together. There was this young man, an artist, and he came into the gallery where my work was, and we're talking, and then he said, oh wait, I remember you. When I was in second grade, you came to my school and you told us stories. And I'm like, wow, you have no idea the impact of what you do. You just don't know. Yeah, at 30, I wouldn't have known that. But at 63, I do.